So I'm done now. It took me a long time, but I always do things much slower. I'm gonna be installing the Bugwall for the kitchen area, side door, on my Ford Transit 2016 all-wheel drive high roof. It's a little beaten up. Okay, so I have chosen the entrance here with the partition, like I guess going somewhere here towards the front. You can choose different openings. Let's get to it. I'm not gonna document the whole thing, I'm just gonna partially document it. So I use the air gun, high pressure, to clean the seal, and some cleaning, window cleaner to wipe off the grease. And then I have 2 clamps and then this is going to be the opening right here, magnetic, it's towards the front, so I'm just pushing it from the inside out. Okay, and I'm going to go around and then I'll do the other side and then adjust it. It should be pretty easy. I got this part on there, not perfect, but I'll keep working on it. And on the bottom it doesn't go down, it just hangs here. I guess that's good enough. Let me continue on this side. I was almost done doing this side and the whole thing fell down. And when the strip comes off, it's really hard to put it back on. So you should use more of these. I'm using 4 now, these clamps. Okay, so I'm done now. It took me a long time, but I always do things much slower. I watched a video how to do it, and the guy actually finished the front and the back by the time I finished just the front. So you're gonna need the Bugwall, you know. You're gonna need some clamps. This comes with the package. You need scissors, gloves, a rubber mallet, a cloth, and a cleaning like alcohol to clean these. I had this white stuff all around. Okay, Bugwall. Now you can sleep. I mean, on the bottom, I don't think anything will get in. There could be, but it's very limited space. It looks very nice. I can remove it, and I think there is like a winter PVC something for it also. I have it for the back. The winter stuff. I just did this today, so it's 40 Celsius in the shade here. August 3rd, very hot in Hungary. The nuclear plant is actually gonna shut down today because there's so little water in the Danube. I also installed this blinker. It's like an Audi, or you know, those running ones. And tomorrow I'm gonna take it to the Ford because the 4-wheel drive, something's wrong with it. Anyway, hope this helps somebody a little bit. Actually, I guess you could move this up a little more if you have to, but it looks very nice. Okay, the AC here, the shower, the Victron Ekrano X my sink, so for toilet composting. Anyway, I don't know if I should start on the back door. It's 5 o'clock, so I think I did it. Looks alright. Almost level completely. This side is a little bit more up than this side. I tell you, this was much harder than I anticipated by myself. Oh, this is gonna be great. I can leave the door open for ventilation and no bugs can come in. I'm gonna install the clips or something that we came with. These things. Got some tape too. So this is how it looks like rolled up. You come in. It does block your view. Bugwall done on the sliding door. So you can just go in like this with the magnet, and you should close. You know, no bugs, and then you can remove it or fold it up.